Okay, here we have a mixed assortment here. You don't know what you're going to have. So these are not going to be done with the calculator method, but particularly notice they are lined up and they are exactly, I have x squareds and y squareds. I can add these together. Here I have an x and y. I can add these together. And here there's 1x and y squareds. I can add these together. But I cannot add these with this. I cannot add the 4x squared y squared with the negative 3x y squared because they're not exactly the same. This one has x squared, that one has 1x, so they are different. Now 4 plus 6 is 10. I already determined that those are the same. 5 plus 18 is that. And then the negative 3 and plus 3 cancel out. So that's my answer. So if I go over here to this other one, I don't think I've got some answers going to pop up wrong here. I think what I did is I rewrote it. I took the first one and I'm rewriting this one. Notice I changed the negative to a plus. That makes us a negative 5. That negative 6 becomes now a plus 6. And the negative 17 becomes a positive 17. And I can add them. 11 and negative 5 are 6. 2 and 6. And notice, whenever I have variables, I just carry them straight down in this particular method that I like. So this would be the answer here to this particular one of the mixed nuts. Now this time they're a little off to the same. So notice 3a squared. There is no a squared on the second one, so I'm going to keep that 3a squared and move it right here. There is a 3ab and a 4ab. I guess I should write this. I wrote it like that. That's why this 3 squared becomes right here. It just popped up there. Now I can add the 3 and 4, or you can do it straight across horizontally. And you get 7ab. And now I have a negative b squared and a 6b squared, which is a 5b squared. So that'd be my answer to that particular one here. The second one is a minus, so I'm going to write this problem out. Now as you'll see here, I have this minus, but it goes to the whole thing here. So I'm going to change that to a plus. And when I did that, I changed that 2 to a negative, the negative 4 to a positive, and the plus 3 to a negative. Now I can just add them like I did over here. I have y squareds, y's, and number 5 and negative 2 make a 3y squared. 7 and 4 make 11y. And 8 and negative 3 make a 5. So those would be my answers, particularly to those right there.